Cheers!
Cheers!
Do people know that answer?
Rock, paper, scissors. Are you okay?
Hey! We're
weird.
back.
Hey, everyone.
Ooh. What was I gonna say? Hey everyone! I'm Tyler.
I'm Adriana.
Welcome back to the Pregame.
We're here to introduce to you two new collections. From Fenty Beauty, we're bringing you the Bronze All Over Collection.
And from Fenty Skin, we are introducing something huge with Hydra Vizor Huez Tinted Moisturizer Mineral SPF 30 Sunscreen.
Oh yeah, let's get into it.
Let's get into it. I want to introduce you guys to Hydra Vizor Huez. This is a tinted moisturizer SPF, which is perfect for the summer. This is a refillable product, so just like OG, you got the refill, you got the case, pop it in, and you are good and ready to use.
What's your shade, Tyler?
I am shade 7, so this is perfect for me. I can do my whole face with it. And what about you?
I am shade 2, and it's really nice because this is going with me when I travel this summer.
Yeah. And now we're gonna have Michael come join us to give us the tea.
Michael!
Come through!
Michael!
Yeah, bow, bow, bow. Ow, ow. Hi. We're drinking, right?
And guess what time it is? Shot o'clock.
Tequila?
We're not getting out of this one.
That's why I came to this one.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh, the tingle.
Hey.
So let's get right into it. I'm gonna give you the tea on HVH, because you said the full name, but that's a mouthful, so we're just gonna give
Yeah.
But Hydra Vizor Huez is incredible for so many reasons. She is that girl. And first and foremost, this is a powerhouse moisturizer, right?
Yeah.
So first, we're gonna reduce the look of pores,
Of that.
dark spots. We're gonna even skin tone
Okay.
with niacinamide. Love her.
Love.
But then we're going to hydrate. We're gonna soothe. We're gonna condition the skin with hyaluronic acid. So already, like, we could stop there and this would be amazing.
Yeah.
But we've taken it a step further. So what you have here is the added benefit of SPF 30 protection. So we're talking defense against UVA, UVB sun damage with 15.5% zinc oxide. Pop quiz, why do we love zinc oxide? I'll answer for you. Okay, so zinc oxide is amazing because it is an ingredient that when it's formulated for SPFs or for sunscreens, it's generally really well tolerated across all complexions.
Okay.
So that includes our sensitive skin girlies, and this includes our blemish prone skin girlies. So that's me. I swear if you look at me funny, I break out. Everything makes me break out, but this is just a dream come true. The other thing that we love about this is it is so flexible, but with these 10 inclusive, super flexible shades, they can really flex across all different kinds of undertones and complexions.
Amazing.
And the pigment level in each one of these is optimized to make sure that you don't get any white cast, no flashback, and that is super uncommon in this category, right?
No flashback, no white cast here.
But the finish in and of itself is chef's kiss. This is gonna give you this light, natural, luminous finish that is agreeable for all complexions. So stunning. And I just wanna show you. Let me give it a little pumpy. This is the first one, so it's gonna take a couple pumps, but just so delectable, so delicious and moisturizing, and just the right amount of pigment payoff.
Yeah.
Stunning.
Yeah, it's like
Beautiful.
glistening.
Yeah,
I'm sold. Thank you so much for stopping by.
it was a privilege and a pleasure. Have a great time. Pour some out for me. Bye.
All right, so the Bronze All Over Collection brings you brand new blush lighter called Hot Cheeks.
They're the prettiest shades. The colors are immaculate.
We also have 2 new shades of Glitty Lid. I have shade Boozy Bronze.
And this is shade Ritzy Rose.
And what is this? A brand new lip product from Fenty Beauty? You read that right. These are gloss bomb oils to completely pull together this summer look.
And then get them a shot of that applicator. And that's so different from the normal applicator as well. In your influencer era, it's giving doe foot.
And it smells fantastic. I really can't wait for y'all to smell these. Should we get into it?
Let's get into it, twin.
Are you all ready to spice things up and play a little game?
Yeah, bring it.
Okay, so here are the rules of the game. The 2 of you will play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, gotcha.
The winner will get to apply makeup on. The loser will need to chug a mystery drink that is right in front of you and answer a rapid fire question correctly. The loser finishes You'll play rock, paper, scissors again. You'll continue to do these rounds until someone completes creating the Hydra Bronze look. The winner will get an exciting prize. Got it?
Gotcha.
Rock, paper, scissors? Or are you a 1, 2, 3 shoot?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god. Such a square.
Paper
Covers
covers
rock.
Rock does not bust through paper. So.
It should.
We're getting to business, okay?
Still friends after?
Can't promise you that.
God.
I just want to prepare myself. I'm taking shots. It is shots and swatches.
Ready, set, go.
Oh.
I was ready to get into it. Okay, ready?
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, go. Okay. Oh,
All right, first question. In what year did Fenty Beauty launch?
2017.
All right, next. Rock, paper, scissors again.
Rock, paper, scissors.
All right.
Oh my god, I forgot.
What was Rihanna's debut album?
Sun something?
Close.
Oh, what even
This thing was
looking?
strong. Music to the sun.
Yes, okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
All right. Name one zodiac sign that is born during the summer.
Leo, me.
Okay. Name a summer fruit.
Mango. Rock, paper, scissors, go. Sorry.
In what year did Fenty Skin launch?
2021? 2019? 2020?
Hey, okay, you got it. Rock, paper, scissors. Alright, where is Rihanna from?
No.
Barbados. Woo, child.
Period. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
How many letters are in Hydra Vizor Huez?
HYDRA 10 14.
Got it. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Are you okay? Rock, paper, scissors, go.
How many days are in the summer season?
Great, stumper.
Around.
Do
Give me-
people know that answer?
Give me an estimate.
90?
Pretty close. Rock, paper, scissors. I'll take it.
Question. Are these the only brushes we can use? Like if I wanted like a smaller one? Or like if I want to do my nose?
Girl, you're gonna contour your nose right now?
I might beat you in the liner.
Paper, scissors, go. Oh.
All right. What does SPF stand for?
Pass.
Girl.
What was the hottest temperature reached on Earth?
100,
Estimate.
123, 152, 135.
You're so close. 134. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
How often should you be applying SPF?
Every 2 hours.
Period.
2 hours.
Okay. What is something that you can find at the beach and you can walk on and use to
Wait, what?
All right, I'm done. If anyone was wondering what a winner looks like.
Her liner is barely on.
Okay, no, there's wings. I'm flying, there's wings. You can touch my eyelashes, there's mascara.
Okay. I mean, she's flying. They're on there.
They're on there. We're first
The lips
class.
are lipping.
We're flying.
The cheeks are cheeking. The blush is blushing. Gorgeous. I mean, you gotta get that. Let's go.
It's okay, I won't let you stay like this.
Thank you. let me finish my look.
You're beautiful. We're gonna finish up. We'll be right back.
How are you guys feeling?
Bruh. All right, well, these are the final looks. What do y'all think?
Even though I lost, I feel like I'm still serving. I did finish
You
my
are.
look off camera. Now that we're a little lit, we got plans after this.
The lips look so good.
Is it giving juicy?
It's giving oil, it's giving slick, it's giving glow.
Stop. Don't make me blush.
Oh, but you are.
I'm wearing Kappa Cookie. So it is eating on my lips. It is the perfect color, very bronzy, perfect for summer.
And the cheeks look so beautiful.
know.
I'm wearing Juicy Peach, but Baked Peach looks really good on you.
But that shade looks so good on you. And even though you won, your liner is still popping. I don't know how you did that so quickly, but it's like, it's giving fierce, like a fierce liner, and then your lashes are already beautiful as is,
Oh
but
my
with
God.
with hella thick, like they're elongated, they're fire, they're ready for the rest of the night. Don't know what you're getting into after this. I mean, I do, but it'll last you the whole night. I'm not even wearing foundation. It's just Huez. So it looks so good on my skin, so natural, like that natural glowy finish. Like it looks so good.
Yeah, like in person, her skin just looks so healthy and natural and like glowy. And it's crazy that it's just moisturizer. Like that's not foundation.
And Adriana, we have your price.
Oh my god, it's the keychain that goes to the gloss bomb oil.
Period.
She's coming with me on the go.
Right. You're never caught lacking. Thank you everyone for watching Pregame Shots. What's it called? Thank you for coming to the pregame. We really appreciate it, and I'm glad you guys got to learn about the new Hydra Vizor Huez and the new Bronze All Over collection.
Don't forget to shop now.